Hi, my name's Josh. I got with Mining Store back in 2020 or 2021, and just team has been really helpful, lots of information, they keep you up to date, they've got plenty of training online and things like that, and just help you to understand how to run a mining farm better and to progress and expand, and the ease of having them hold the computers and do all the servicing on them and take care of everything is awesome. Like, you only have to check an app and that's it. It's really simple. You get Bitcoin, just pop into your wallet and just pay your power bill at the end of the month, nice and easy, and everything's been going really well. I highly recommend them if you're looking to get into mining, and if you're doing strategic dollar cost averaging, getting into mining is probably a better way to go about it. But yeah, Mining Store, highly recommend.